Guys, it's me, and today we're back on Python. So now, last episode I taught you how to make a question game. Today we're going to be talking about Python math, and trust me, it's going to be fun. So what you're actually going to type in first is type parentheses, and inside the parentheses just type in 78. And when you press enter, it's going to show class integer. Now, I'll tell you about what's happening here. So, when we're typing type, it basically means we're asking what type is this number. And since there's no strings, like like quotes or anything like that, and it's just a regular number, it's going to be referred to as an integer, like as usual. Now what I want you to type again, and this time put in a decimal number. So I'm gonna do 178.8871. Okay, so now press enter, and now it's a class float. I have not taught you guys about floats yet, so I'm going to teach you about that first. So what float basically is like a decimal in Python. Floats are basically referred to as a decimal in Python. So yeah, it's class float. So now what I want you to type is it's a regular 5 plus 5 plus 4 and it prints 9. Isn't that cool? So basically Python can be used as a calculator as well. So you can do 76 minus 1, and that's 66. And you can also do 89 asterisk 5. Actually no, that's a bit too much. 6. 30. Now, you're probably wondering what's this asterisk for. So basically in Python, an asterisk is it is referred to as a multiplication symbol in Python. And yeah, if you just type in a regular multiplication symbol in X, there'll be a syntax invalid decimal literal. So yeah, always use an asterisk to refer to it as a multiplication symbol. There. And also be, of course, division 2.0. You're probably wondering why it's a float. Well, it's actually because of, hold on. Yeah, it's because of this. It's, division, yeah. It's because of this one. I don't really have a division symbol, but yeah. So now what we're going to do is actually you're going to open file, and you're going to open a new file. All right, so open a new file real quick. And once you open it, it should look like this. It should be blank. Now, what I'm going to be teaching you guys is how to make a basic calculator. Just something basic. So, what you're actually going to want to do is type in num underscore 1, a variable, and set that equal to a float, and type put in parentheses, input, more parentheses, and inside the parentheses some strings, and that, and then type in a number. And then we're going to type in sim. Sim equals to input, and it'll ask you to type in a math symbol. And then what you're going to do is type in num. Num2 equals to a float, and yeah, basically the same thing. So go ahead and do that real quick. So then you're going to then you basically what you're going to do is, yeah, type in anything. And start, type in another number. And then what you're going to do now is type in if. If num, actually no, not num, sim equals strings, addition symbol, we're going to print num underscore 1 plus num underscore 2. Now let's talk about what we're doing here. So basically we have 3 variables, each that are different, and and sim is basically the math symbol, like plus sign, addition sign, multiplication and stuff. Yeah. And basically we're making the sim equal to a plus sign, and if you type, when it'll ask you to type in a math symbol, and if you type in a plus sign, the numbers that you added will come and will be added. I'll show you guys. So then you're going to type in another if, or you can type in if. But yeah, I'm just going to type in elif because basically it's like an else and a if combined. Yeah. So else, oh no. So else elif sim equals subtraction, print num1 minus num2. Oh wait, I forgot to type in the underscore. And then another elif, another elif sum equals let's say a regular multiplication sign, print num score 1 asterisk num underscore 2. elif a division sign, then it's going to type num underscore 1 divided by num underscore 2. So now let's test this out. If you pressed F5, it should look like this. Now it's going to ask you to type in a number. So go ahead and type in any number. I'm just going to type in 10. Type in a math symbol. Let's do a let's say plus sign. Type in another number. Let's go for a 4. 14. Forget the decimal, okay? Just, forget it. It's a 14. And yeah, that's the end of this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed. I really did enjoy this calculator thing. And I also hope you enjoyed it. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace. See